Hi, I'm Stan,
And I'm Sylvia.
and we're the Zimmermans. Welcome to Healthy Cooking with the Z's, where we prepare gourmet dishes using little to no salt, sugar, or preservatives. If you enjoy our recipes, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified when new delicious recipes come out.